Hey, good afternoon, Tim Bush, Gyro-Trac. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, I got 3 machines. I'm gonna do a quick walk through here. I'm up at our office in South Carolina. This is a GT16 XP, 200 horsepower. It's got our saber-tooth drum on it, hydraulic push bar. All 3 machines have the same head, different widths, but the same hydraulic operated push bar. All of our equipment will also open up, and this is awesome here. We got a push button tilt forward cab, which is really nice. Opens this up so you can get in here and clean it out, service whatever you need to. You pull your safety down, get in there. Got great accessibility here on this 200 horsepower machine. Getting 203 hydraulic horsepower to the head. Does an awesome job. Right here we have a GT25. It's got a 92-inch cutting width, 250 horsepower, steel track unit here, tilt forward cab on everything. It's got a 6.7 liter engine in it, 250 horsepower like I said. Then over here we got a GT35 XP. It's a 365 horsepower machine. Steel track, same cutter head, saber-tooth cutter head, hydraulically operated push bar, 92-inch cutting width. These 2 units here weigh 29,500 pounds. Great accessibility. All the doors open up to get in, clean it, service, blow it out. Push button, tilt forward cab. So that's just a quick down and dirty. Like I said, Tim Bush Gyro-Trac. If you have any questions, concerns, give me a call, 843-297-9088. Or you text me or email me at tim.bush@gyrotrac.com. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great day.